Hello, welcome to November's Junior Safety Officer video. Mrs. Rhodes here, and this month we'll be looking at safer crossing places and anti-bullying. Here's a quick look at the bulletin for November. Can you name any safer crossing places? Did you think of all of these? Pelican, puffin, toucan, equestrian, Pegasus, traffic islands, subways, footbridges, school crossing patrol, zebra crossings, and even a tiger crossing.
The junior safety officers have more information in their school guide.
These ones are all light controlled. It's really important to wait for the green man and make sure that cars have stopped, even if the green man is showing. Not all cars stop for red lights. Always best to check. Use the green cross code. Stop, look, listen, and think.
Another tip when crossing the road is to always walk straight across, not diagonal. This way, you're only on the road for the shortest amount of time. Try drawing this picture and measure the lines.
Measure which line is the shortest. This is the quickest and safest route across the road. Although you want to get across the road quickly, it's not a good idea to run. You're more likely to fall over. Also, adults can be in a rush when trying to get you into school and then home again. Always check they're crossing in a safer place. It may take a little longer to walk to the pedestrian crossing or to a safer area, but better late than not at all. The second part of our bulletin is anti-bullying. You may have seen this jigsaw puzzle on there. This gives a few ideas of what you can do if you feel you're being bullied. One of the suggestions is practice being assertive. This means standing up for yourself and explaining how you feel without shouting or fighting. To be assertive, try practicing what you want to say first, or try writing it down to prepare yourself. Act calm, confident, and say what you want politely and clearly. You could just try one of these, but if you join more pieces together, you're more likely to solve the puzzle or the problem. Thank you, Junior Safety Officers. See you next month. Stay safe. Bye-bye.